Having fun?
We're just going straight here.
Guys, no fence. There's a fire pit with a lake as our view, and this is the Airbnb. Guys, I'm like shocked. This is our stay.
So I figured this would be kind of cool.
Hey AD, I'm Christina. Welcome to my home. Come on in. Come in. Let me close the door. It's a humble 1-bedroom apartment, but I think it's pretty spacious. Take a look. We have the kitchen over here, built-in oven, aka microwave. We do have a space for a dining table, but only a party of 2. We have a fridge, a sink, all you need. We also have a kitchen for the animals that are on this farm. So we go feed the zebras and horses every morning. We have this beautiful view that leads to 2 lakes that are over here, and we also have an outdoor hammock and a campfire set that we can have campfires at. There's this nice little couch and a fireplace whenever it gets cold, and we have a huge king bed. So you sit here, enjoy the weather, and in the morning the horses and animals come to you and you can see it through the windows. We also have a bathroom. So we're not unsophisticated here. We have a nice walk-in shower and a toilet, obviously. What else? Our Airbnb has zebras on the property, and they're right here. So close. Oh my gosh. I just saw what was in this pen. You guys wouldn't believe it. Guys, we're not in a zoo or anything. We're at an Airbnb. Look at this bad boy. Hey, big guy.
Hey, big
And I'm sure you guys can hear what's on the other side. We got some sheep.
You don't want any? I don't think he wants any.
Lying. You're lying.
You want to go feed the sheep?
I've literally never seen anything like this. Hold on, let me This is insane. This is crazy. Look, we're in the pen.
Yeah.
What?
Feed one of them. They're hungry.
Hey, buddy.
Watch out, Christina. Watch your fingers. Jeez.
He's just a sheep.
Yeah. Hey, buddy.
The camel stood up. Man, he's massive. Guys, there's llamas out here. Look at him. I'm kind of trying to follow him. There he goes. Here's our first victim.
Mama.
Hey,
here,
buddy.
Big mama. There you go. There you go.
Ooh, they're running. They know that we have snacks.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is kind of scary, no?
No, you're good.
The horses are coming. Oh no, what do I do? How do I give them to them? Flat, right?
Horses?
Or no? Hey girl. Hey girls. Oh wow. Oh, there's a third one. Oh my gosh, guys.
Here, buddy.
Guys, we're fully surrounded by animals. This might be a little scary, no?
Good. There you are. Now. No.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. This one's my favorite. That one right there. Excuse you. Hello guys, how are we gonna get out? He's stuck, he can't get out. How is he supposed to open his door?
Last night should have heard the black they had.
Hey girls, Mama and Papa and baby. Look at his haircut. And miniature horses. Hey girls. Oh my god.
Watch him jump over.
Yeah, right, that'd be terrifying. Oh my gosh, they're low-key fighting. Let's go, let's go.
You can hear him.
Oh my gosh, you're scary.
Watch out, Christina. Don't get close. Hey. Watch out, buddy.
Oh no,
No.
babe. I'm kind of scared.
Hey, watch
Oh,
out.
babe.
Hey.
This is terrifying.
Sure that none of them are sneaking up behind you.
Well, that's what I'm trying to do, but there's a ram.
Come here. Come closer to me.
The faster I go, the faster they move. Oh my gosh, the big boy's here. Guys, when did we become shepherds?
When did we become shepherds?
This is crazy. Oh, is she having? Oh no, I thought she was doing this.
That's hilarious.
We came back to our Airbnb and look who came with us. They're running. These goats are crazy. Just be careful they don't ram at you. Hey girl, hey girl.
There's a bison.
Babe, look behind you.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, look at him go.
I think these are from Africa.
Well, they give you everybody a gun. There's a
Hi, girl.
but you know, it's actually really
It's crazy.
Water buffalo could be from India.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
They have gazelle here as well. Let's see how close I can get until they get scared off. There they go.
Oh no, that's not.
Oh, that's a cockroach. That's rough. Can I see the moth? Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 4, 5, 6, 7. But why do you like such a plain Chipotle order?
I just like plain food in general.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Low-key, me too. I can have pros and most. Yeah, go ahead.
I like experimenting with food, but like if like Chipotle for me, that's just like so
Good morning. It's foggy. And look who's meeting us this morning. Oh. Oh no. The goats were sleeping here with us. Look who's here. One of these zebras, for a while we noticed that he was kind of like looking like this a lot. His head was tilted and he would only look in one direction. And yesterday we had the privilege to speak with one of the farm hands that lives on this property. And he was basically explaining that zebras are they're like scaredy cats. They get spooked really easily and they just don't like people around them, and they are just, even if they're born in captivity, they're just really big scaredy cats. And he broke one of his vertebrae trying to run into a fence. And they took him to the vet. They really wanted to fix it, and they basically said if this was a horse they could do surgery, but because of how scaredy cat zebras are, he would have to be tranquilized every single time they try to operate on him, or every single time you touch him. And so basically he would have to be tranquilized 24/7 for multiple days, and that would kill him. The drugs would kill him. So the doctor said that he could live. It's been 6 months already. He's still living. And basically the only time that he would pass away is that if he would try to break his vertebrae again. So even though he looks like that, he has a really good family here. The people who take care of him do a really good job, and no one rides them. They're just here for fun. And yeah, but it's really a little sad story about the zebra. You guys gonna come up to me? You wanna come here? He's running. Look at him go. I've had this video edited for the longest time and I just didn't have an ending, so I never posted it. So I'm sorry there's no ending, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of like no voiceover or me talking most of the time. We were just enjoying the view. I do want to let you know I just came back from Washington, and oh my gosh, I tried to record as much as I could. Like, again, I'm not the best vlogger, so I didn't really talk a lot in the videos, but I think it's really worth the watch. And I'm editing that right now, and so that's going to be up hopefully soon. I'm going to make sure I have an intro and ending on that one so I can edit it and send it off right away. So I really appreciate you guys watching. I love you guys so much. See you next time. Bye. Bye.